should be use the arrows, right? Okay. Oh, this is really cute. Oh, shit. How do I go up?
You gotta jump.
Oh, jump? You said you could. I can use the arrows though.
Yeah, arrows to move.
Oh, but I can't. So I can't like smash them.
No.
How do I get up there? Shit.
You can double jump.
Oh yeah. Okay. That makes it a little bit better. Oh, let me get this coin. So I just have to go to the end, or do you have to collect all the coins?
No, you just have to go to the end.
Okay. Fuck that then. Yeah, I clearly don't play games very often, but now I'm trying. I like the double jump. Ah, fuck! I was so close! Fuck, and then I die again. Thank you. Okay, there we go. Just like this again. Okay. You don't have like a save?
No.
Like,
It's not that long.
okay, yep, forget it. I'm not gonna get these anymore. Fuck that. It's like say F, like if I
Yeah,
curse.
probably.
I mean, this is real life here, so like you can't tell me what to do or not to do.
True. It's all scripted.
Or you can just edit it. You can bleep it out and be hilarious. Ugh. Please tell me that this is the end.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I am Mexican. Alright.
Oh my god, what do I do? What are my controls?
I can't tell you. There was a rules place. No.
Well, I guess I'm playing now. I hate this game already. Why isn't it counting how many times I've died? You'd think there'd be a learning curve, but there's not. Fine, be sensitive like that.
Even my dog made it to the third platform.
Man, I was so good at Mario too. Fuck's sake. Okay, I think there's a technique here. There we go. I feel like this isn't gonna end well for me. Oh, there's a double jump feature. Okay, maybe not. I don't know if I'm supposed to be collecting these coins, but fuck the coins. The coins are going to remain untouched. Okay.
Missed a coin.
Oh, God. You know you're gonna make me do this. Oh. I don't like how small these
Dad.
platforms are.
You know, if you jump off, you get extra life, right?
Troll. I got it.
Sure.
I'm not good at.
Yeah, double jump.
Hey. Why can I not? There we go. Oh. Shit.
Watch your language, just little kids watching. Die again.
Yeah, of course.
Expecting nothing less. Even the dogs like it.
Oh.
Familiar spot, isn't it, Mom?
Huh?
Familiar spot. First platform, isn't it?
I'm touching too many keys. I want a mouse.
Oh, there, calm down. Maybe if you pass the first level, you can get a mouse.
I like the little cloud of dirt that comes off of them.
It's inspired by me.
Yeah. Okay, can we do it?
Nope.
No. Hey. Ooh. Oh man. Okay. I'm never gonna get all the coins. Question is it coin based or is it time based or
Completion.
completion?
Why don't you go for completion first, Mom? Then you go coins.
Oh, gee. I
Do you understand the point of the game is not to hit the flying things? Just making it clear for you. Oh, you missed a coin. Don't jump off either, Mom. Suicide is not the option.
need music. Okay, stop. Now you're annoying me. game is nuts for me.
Was that a game for you?
Yes, there is one game I can play. Maybe not well, but I can play it.
Tired to the end.
Pieces.
Whoa.
That's clearing it.
I'll give you a tip, just keep on jumping.
Double jump didn't work.
Well, yeah, it only works if you're already in the air. You guys get the ability to jump every time you touch the ground. So if you jump when you get the rebound.
Don't want that coin that bad. I fail.
We know that.
I don't like how it overhangs. There we go. We'll just complete it without collecting any coins. How's that? Oh.
You know the right arrow key moves you away, correct?
Ah. I was in the air and double jumped. It didn't double jump.
Well, yeah, you only get a double jump. You only get the ability to jump every time you touch the ground. So it's not officially a double jump. It's just because when you bounce, if you look, yeah, jump into the air, and now jump after you already land. Yeah, I had some chem stuff to do. We're not gonna be too much longer.
God.
Oh. Just get enough height, you can always jump out. You don't have to jump down. Here, Mom. It's okay.
I'm salty.
No, your mom.
Taking after you.
Hey, dunk.
Okay. How long have I been at this? Let me just hit play.
Play. Dead. Oh, so I can't touch them. Oh, that makes sense. I got my hops. Okay, I suck at this. Do I need to... Whatever, let's get a coin. Yeah. So let's see. Okay, if I double jump, if I jump twice in there, go really high. There we go. Wait, is it infinite jump? Dang it! You suck. Wait, what? No, I can't do that. What? Platforms. No. Oh, I lost my jump. Bam. Next level. Oh, it's on one level. Let's go coins this time. Bam. Oh, I can double jump. Oh, I can double jump. I'm a demon hunter. No. Bam, all the coins. Too good. You done? You pause it?
You can stop whenever.
Mess around. Pew. Looking for the Easter eggs.
Can you get all of them?
The coins? I already got the coins.
Did you get all of them last time?
Yeah.
Press W, stay the move, collect as many coins. Oh, space is the jump. Okay. Okay, so I can't jump on them at all. Okay. One, two. Oh, damn. Okay. Okay, I'm getting it now. Never mind. Okay. Da. Am I supposed to get all the coins? Is there an incentive to get the coins, or just they're kind of fun things to get? Okay. I did it! I beat it.
Okay, that's it. You can stop.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Bah! I like the bounce mechanics on it. It's really cool. Okay.
You gotta look at the screen. You're doing about as good as I am.
Gotta look at the screen. Push it.
She's doing better than I am.
You don't feel good. Oh. Oh, okay.